Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you would, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And you know one thing my subscribers get that you guys don't? They get notifications every time I publish a new video. If you like tractors, tools, and trucks, you're bound to see more Mad Max, DeWalt tools, and anything else I throw at you. Big Red, my 2006 Dodge Ram 3500. I've always got something going on. Cost of owning cars, tractors, and a house. There's always a project to be done. Also have a woodworking hobby, so check out my videos and keep coming back for more. We've been waiting a long time for this showdown. We've got our Sokani Tiny Twins on the left, and we've got our Rode wireless go-to. Brand new, hot off the press, and we're gonna test out both systems head to head, see how they compare. We're also gonna try out the Sony ECM-CS3, one of the top rated microphones you can buy on a budget, along with the Purple Panda, probably Amazon's #1 seller of microphones. We're doing this all on our new Hero 9 Black. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so right now we've got you on the wireless mic, and towards the end we'll put you guys actually on the directional mic just so you can see how much noise actually comes out of this. We're going to hop on the tractor, we're going to give it a start, and you're going to be able to hear a lot of the background noise with this microphone. We're going to let the glow plugs warm up a little bit. This is probably unlike any other microphone test you've seen with the wireless 2. Alright, so there is a lot of background noise. As you can hear, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to hook up the Sokani mic. So hopefully, as I go around the yard, normally I'd be telling you guys all about, you know, what the tractor does, moving the loader around and what have you, especially over high idle. We got the garage door open, so you guys don't have to worry about me killing myself. But this is the standard Sokani mic, and we'll just see how you guys think it sounds. And we're going to switch it over real quick. So next up we have the Sony wireless mic, and it's picking up the left and the right, and it's probably getting a lot of that noise from the tractor, but you guys should still be able to hear me pretty good over the engine noise relative to using a shotgun mic. It's right about 70, 80, 90 decibels, so it's pretty loud in the background, and we may not be able to edit that all out. But next we're going to go to the Purple Panda. So this is a Purple Panda. So when I'm out and I'm doing a project, I'm lifting dirt, I'm using my loader or what have you, there's all kinds of noise on the tractor, but sometimes you guys, you know, want to hear me say something over the background engine noise of the equipment. And so I'm talking a little bit louder, but I'm trying to keep my voice the exact same as I normally would, whether I was talking to myself or giving some advice on how to pick something up with the loader force. And we're going to go back and we're going to do this exact same test with all the same gear, except we're going to switch over to the Sokani Tiny Twins. Hope you guys enjoy. We're going to go through this exact same thing that we did before. We're going to start up the tractor, and you guys are probably going to be able to hear a lot of ambient noise. We're going to start off with the stock Sokani microphone, transition to Sony, and then the Purple Panda. Glow plugs are warming up, and then we're going to start it up. Alright, so you guys can probably hear a lot of the ambient noise. We got the Sokani. Once again, the nice thing about the Sokani is it shows you it's transmitting. The only thing I don't like about the Sokani is the line of sight, and it drops. We'll have to do some more testing with the Rode Wireless 2, see if we get the same drops down the road. But that was the main reason I wanted to go with Rode Wireless Go 2, is so that I can use it multiple times. So we're going to start off with the stock Sokani mic, plug that in. Alright, now you guys should be able to hear me a lot better. A lot of that background engine noise is gone. Once again, I start off with Sokanis. I think they're great, but those drops get annoying. In your graph when you edit, it goes across, and it just completely drops out of audio, and that could be at a key moment. And you know, a lot of YouTubers do this on their own, like I do, and they don't have a cameraman back there watching the script. So we're going to switch out to the Sony. So the Sony has this little L shape to it, so we're going to take, alright, so we got the Sony plugged in, it should be broadcasting, Hopefully you guys can hear me. Still probably some ambient noise. I actually replayed the video and I kind of like the Sony, but I don't want to dissuade you guys. And for my viewers out there, leave a comment below. Tell me which microphone you guys like better and which one you can hear me better over. And that way we can use that one when we go out and do production and I get audio quality that you guys actually like. So once again, that's the Sony microphone, and we're going to switch now to the Purple Panda. So now we've hooked up the Purple Panda, and hopefully you guys can tell me once again, which of the three mics do you like better? Do you like the stock Sokani mic? Do you like the Sony microphone? Or do you like this microphone? For all you non-tractor guys out there, you probably don't want to hear the tractor running. You guys are used to studio videos, but if you've got a show that you do, you know, whether it's landscaping, tractors, trucks, and you want to cut out a lot of that background noise, a shotgun mic isn't going to get that for you, and I'll demonstrate that shortly. But one of these wireless mics, even having this clip to your collar is going to be better than, you know, talking in the open. And then of course the Lav Mic is by far the best to cut down the background noise, and I've seen my views go way up either through voiceovers or the portable wireless mics. The only thing with the portable wireless mics is the distance, and we may have to do a test during the longevity of that, of how the Sokani tests with the road. And if there's any cutouts or drops, I'm just going to leave them in there so you guys can see the frustration that I deal with as far as the Sokani dropping the signal. Once again, we're going to switch you guys over for our final shot, and we're going to use the shotgun mic. We'll start the tractor and see if you guys can hear anything. So if you guys have ever used a shotgun mic, this is just a cheap one. This is not a road mic, but it is a directional mic, and it's great if you're vlogging or you're explaining something and there's not a lot of noise. I think really with the wireless Go, we'll see how it goes, but I think that my channel, personally, my audio got a lot better using the Lav mics, especially when operating equipment. And some of you guys out there might have a channel where you operate a lot of equipment, so maybe this is the way to go. But I'm going to demonstrate for you how hard it is to hear me based off of the shotgun mic, and maybe we'll be impressed, but I don't think you'll be able to hear me. So let's go from here. So we're going to do the exact same thing we did before. Now I'm further away. I'm probably about 10 feet from the camera. We're going to let the glow plugs warm up. And once again, I demonstrate a lot of stuff on the tractor channel, and this may be a prime time. We'll see how it goes. So glow plugs are warming up. Leave a comment below. Tell me which microphone you guys actually prefer, whether it's the Sokani, the Sony, or the Purple Panda. Especially with the equipment running, tell me which microphone you like. I know this isn't like any other video that you guys have seen, but I know the guys out there operating their equipment may be looking at the Rode Wireless 2 Go or the Sokani Tiny Twins and be looking for a microphone set that they can use while they go operate their equipment and still narrate and give a lot of how-to advice. Thanks for watching. Once again, if you guys are into tractors, tools, and trucks, I highly encourage you to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and come along for the ride with me. You guys get to see me live my dream, but the true purpose of my channel is to motivate and inspire you to get out there and start building your dreams.